What if I told you that you can create a same video like this? An interesting thing is you can use your own face as a character assembling Hanumanji and Kanaji or any god action figure. Real people won't believe it's AI. Let me show you exactly how to create these assembling videos. First, go to the video description below and copy the master image prompt. Next, open Google Flow AI, switch to image mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the output you want. Then, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Now it's time to decide which god action figure you want to create. Just type its name here and hit generate. After waiting for a short while, your images will be ready. Now let's turn into videos. Now go to the video description below and select the master video prompt. I write this extremely detailed video prompt for you guys. At least I deserve one like for this prompt. Then copy this master prompt and return to Google Flow AI. Switch from image mode to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the Omni Flash video model. Then, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Drag first image into prompt box. Now if you want to use your image, you can upload your selfie or upload any character. I already uploaded this 2 character. Then drag character and hit generate. After waiting for a short while, your videos will be ready. Google Flow will create a detailed video, you as a character assembling Hanumanji action figure. Finally, download the clean video. Let's see final result together. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Now let's create another one. Go back to master prompt and copy image prompt. Paste it into Google Flow AI. Change name as Krishnaji, and hit generate. Once images are ready, paste video prompt into Google Flow AI. Drag first image and drag your character image and hit generate. That's how you can create unlimited god assembling action figure videos using this prompt. Now let's see final result. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, then subscribe to my channel Hyman Hub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.